Why so many people are getting sick right now? I have noticed that it's much more people getting sick right now and even die from the problems than a few years before. Well, one of the reasons I think is energetic. Energetic that people allow all this toxic energy to go through their biofield and go into their body. People just listen the information that they don't need to listen. People just interact with somebody who they don't need to interact. People watch things on television or on internet what they don't need to watch. So just to protect yourself from all this energy, just be aware that everything that you hear outside or on internet, on the radio or TV, energetically goes into your body and creates some changes. So just become aware of what you listen to, what you hear, and what you watch on internet or on television. And if it happens that you just heard something, maybe somewhere, maybe you went to a shopping center and you overheard people talking negatively, you just need to learn to become impersonal to everything that you hear and what you see. So it's called, the quality is called impersonal mind and detachment, which is absolutely necessary to develop, especially right now, because we live in the information age. So what it means to be impersonal and detached? It doesn't mean that you become cold or withdrawn, but it does mean that you don't become emotional about what you hear and what you see. So you can see without emotions. You can see the truth without reacting and responding emotionally to the situation. It's like you're watching a movie. Like you sit in the theater and you're watching a theater play or a movie and you don't get emotionally involved. It is called an observer state. This is very helpful and absolutely necessary to develop in our time. And the reason why people get sick, because they allowed negative energy to enter their body. And they don't have to do that if they develop impersonal mind and detachment.